So, what do you do when your day is so busy that you don't have a time for anything else? That's what happened to me. Work, work, and more work, and that was really the end of it. So, what are your triumphs today? My triumphs, I went out for lunch and I only had salad plus a cake. Shh. It's my only cake in 3 weeks, so I'm considering that to be good. I also had a massage off Megan to keep me walking in a straight line. Really important when I have got no pain-killing drugs. And sheesh, it hurt because I don't have any drugs masking it. But it's making me feel a little better today. I can't say I'm pain-free. I'm never pain-free, but I'm a little bit better. I don't think it'll last long, but it will be. Anything is a godsend and a blessing. So if you want some pain relief, I would recommend you go see her because she is awesome. And she has been treating me and my knee since almost day one of her being employed by me. So if you've got knee, hip, lower back sort of issues, go see her because she's been fixing me for months and months.